Next month, the 16th annual, we say next month, but it's right here. It is right here for the 16th annual Breakfast for Babies. Takes place every year at Chappy's Deli on Perry Hill, Montgomery. Joining me now in studio is Kadie Agnew with Baptist Health and Mike Castanza from Chappy's Delis, giving us a little sneak peek of what we can expect.
Absolutely. And you know, we are talking about 2 weeks from Friday, the 15th. It's here again. A lot of people know about Breakfast for Babies. It is the 16th annual, and we've raised well over 700,000. I don't know the exact number, but we'll raise somewhere in the 50, 60, 70,000, and it goes to the Baptist NICU. Every baby in Alabama, every little bitty baby deserves a great start.
I can't even believe that these are real diapers.
These are not my hat. So come to Chappy's Deli at Perry Hill Road at Carmichael. It's the biggest drive-through in America. Starts at 5:30 in the morning, runs till 9, and you just drive up and we'll direct you into one of about 4 lanes, and you come up and you get a great Chappy's style breakfast.
Showing it off here.
Fresh cracked eggs, cheese grits, you know, our great bacon, our Conecuh.
Gotta have Conecuh.
And a blueberry muffin and a biscuit, and then everything you need to eat it. And you get an orange juice on the side with this. So you can come through. You can call our office, 277-6590, and order. If you have a big order, 20 or more, we'll deliver.
I think we've done that a few mornings.
A couple of times, absolutely.
They make it so easy.
It's a lot of fun. All you got to do, you stay in your car. The cashier comes out to your car. We say hello, bring you a great breakfast. I think they're $8 a box. That would be good to know. I think it's $8. And whatever you want to pay. And I think there's a deal too. $25, you get a T-shirt with it as long as they last. Let me tell you, everybody wants a Breakfast for Babies T-shirt.
They want the shirts.
2 weeks from Friday, and it's at Chappy's Deli at Perry Hill. At Perry Hill, right at the corner of Carmichael, out in the parking lot, 5:30 a.m. Y'all come on.
Kadie.
That's right. Everything he said, yes.
Kadie, this is a great fundraiser. Talk about what you all are able to do with these funds each year.
It's amazing. $60,000 was raised last year, goes back directly to our NICUs, both at Baptist South, Baptist East, and we have about 1,000 babies that come through there a year. They are very tiny but mighty, and they are this equipment. This is a tiny little blood pressure cuff. This,
oh my goodness.
You know, can't even imagine how small. It's big on some of these patients. But this past year we were able to add a rolling NICU, which is a transporter that basically, we already had Angel 1, but this makes it where our NICU arrives at the doors of wherever it may be, a rural hospital, an area of a patient who is in need, and they're able to do everything inside of that ambulance that they would be able to do inside of the walls of the hospital. And money like this from great partners like Chappy's and fundraisers from people from the community, I mean, it goes right back into there. So that equipment is life-saving, truly.
Mike, we've been doing live reports from Breakfast for Babies that morning for years and years now. And what I love so much about it is you'll see some cars drive through and you think, oh, it's just someone supporting this fundraiser. Right. But that's a mom. And sometimes it's the kid in the back seat who was in that NICU.
NICU graduates.
Yes, years and years ago.
Yes, we bring NICU graduates out. We're going to do the same this year. And it's so cool to see. They did interviews with Bethany last year, too, little tiny twins. But, you know, they're doing really well now. And then this year, I think we're going to have a 9-year-old there who is thriving. And we were talking earlier about a 15-year-old.
That's right, Peyton. Yeah, Jeff's daughter, who was born a little bitty, and Mr. David Branco carried around a little diaper that big.
Hard to believe that.
Hard to believe, and she's doing outstanding. So come and support the Breakfast for Babies, which helps the Baptist NICU units get all the equipment and people that they need to take care of. Every little baby deserves a great start.
Look, you can be a hero to a baby. You can also be a hero to your office to take a bunch of orders, order a big order, bring it to the office for breakfast. And everyone's happy.
We'll deliver 20 orders or more. Call the office at Chappy's Deli, 277-6590, and then we'll bring it. We'll ask for a 30-minute window, but we'll bring it right to you. And you're right, hero on 2 levels.
Yes.
Everybody in your office will love
Everyone out in your office will be happy.
And it's a Friday. What a great way to start a Friday. Bring breakfast, start off the weekend, and it really is for a great cause. It's so fun out there. They make it so fast and easy, and then we'll have all of our team members out there from our women's services and different NICU families just to meet and greet and just to thank these people who are supporting us.
It's such a difficult time when you're in that NICU and you feel like it's a never-ending experience. So to be able to get out and get on the other side and then support other families, talk to other families that have been through it, It's so important.
Great video where we're serving right into the cars as they come up, and you saw lots of volunteers dipping it up right there, hot and fresh. We'll get volunteers from Huntington and from Montgomery Catholic and many other places. There'll be over 100 volunteers making it all work smooth.
September 15th, you can reserve an order, and you all will deliver if the order's
20 or more. 20 or more.
20 or more.
Yes.
And otherwise, if you've got 8, and don't hesitate. If you haven't called, drive up in the line anyway. It happens every year. The answer is yes, we can. Hey, I have 25, no problem. Boom, we get it.
Thank
They
you.
are fast.
You bet.
Thank you all so much. And I know those families are so thankful for all that you do
We
every
are so
single year.
grateful for this
16 years
partnership.
strong.
Yes.
Been a blast. See you Friday, 2 weeks from Friday, the 15th.
2 weeks from Friday. Thanks so much for joining us here on
Thank you.
Alabama
Thank
Live.
you.